Hello and welcome to Peak Potential. In today's video, we will be discussing some useful tips and apps to increase productivity while working remotely. As more and more people transition to remote work, it's important to find ways to stay productive and focused while working from home. According to a recent survey by Buffer, 98% of remote workers would like to continue working remotely, even after the pandemic. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Create a designated workspace. It's essential to have a designated workspace that is free from distractions. According to a survey by Owl Labs, having a designated workspace can increase productivity by 27%. Make sure your workspace is clean, well-lit, and comfortable. Having a dedicated workspace will help you stay focused and in the right mindset for work. Here are some tips to help you create a designated workspace while working remotely. Find a quiet space. Look for a quiet spot in your home where you won't be disturbed or distracted. If you have a spare room, that's great, but if not, try to find a corner in a quiet room where you can set up a desk. Get a comfortable chair. Since you'll be sitting for long periods of time, it's important to have a comfortable chair that supports your back and promotes good posture. Set up a desk. Invest in a good quality desk that is the right size and height for you. Make sure the desk is large enough to accommodate your computer, keyboard, mouse, and any other equipment you may need. Ensure good lighting. Good lighting is essential for productivity and reducing eye strain. Make sure you have adequate lighting in your workspace, preferably natural light if possible. Keep it organized. Keep your workspace organized and free from clutter. This will help you stay focused and reduce distractions. Use storage solutions like shelves, drawers, and filing cabinets to keep your workspace tidy. By following these tips, you'll be able to create a designated workspace that promotes productivity and helps you stay focused while working remotely. Tip 2. Stick to a schedule. Create a schedule and stick to it. This will help you stay on track with your work and avoid distractions. Set specific work hours, take breaks at the same time each day, and make sure to stick to your schedule as much as possible. According to a survey by Toggle, having a set schedule can increase productivity by 22%. Tip 3. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can greatly reduce your productivity. Make sure to eliminate all potential distractions in your workspace, such as your phone, social media, or TV. If you're easily distracted by noise, consider wearing noise-canceling headphones or listening to instrumental music. According to a survey by Flex Jobs, 84% of remote workers say that working from home has reduced their distractions. Tip 4. Take breaks. Taking breaks is essential to maintain productivity. Make sure to take short breaks throughout the day to stretch, move around, and clear your mind. This will help you recharge and stay focused. According to a survey by Torque, 90% of North American workers believe that taking a lunch break helps them feel refreshed and ready to get back to work. Tip 5. Use productivity apps. There are many productivity apps available that can help you stay on track and focused. According to a survey by Zapier, 60% of remote workers use productivity apps to help them stay organized and on track. Some popular apps include Trello, Asana, and Evernote. These apps can help you organize your tasks, set reminders, and track your progress. There are many productivity apps available that can help you stay on track and focused. Some popular apps include Trello, Asana, and Evernote. These apps can help you organize your tasks, set reminders, and track your progress. Another great productivity app is Forest, which helps you stay focused by growing a virtual tree for a set amount of time. If you leave the app before the time is up, the tree dies. This app is great for those who struggle with staying focused. In addition, Rescue Time is another useful app that helps you track how you spend your time on your computer or phone. This app provides detailed reports on how much time you spend on different apps or websites, helping you identify areas where you can improve your productivity. All of these apps are available in Google and Apple App Stores. Those are some tips and apps to increase productivity while working remotely. Remember to create a designated workspace, stick to a schedule, eliminate distractions, take breaks, and use productivity apps. With these tips and apps, you'll be able to stay focused and productive while working from home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and content. Thanks for watching.